Going to be making a wet mount slide, and so your instructions are as follows. First, you're going to place a drop of water in the center of the slide, like so, and then you're going to place the sample into the water drop, and so in this case the sample is the letter E. Then we're going to take a cover slip. So from this box, this cover slip is a small small square of glass, and we're going to place it at an angle so that one side of the cover slip makes contact with the edge of the water drop. So like so. And then we will lower the cover slip slowly. We're trying to make it so that there are no bubbles in our microscope slide. So the last thing we'll do is we'll take a piece of paper towel and we'll put it against the edge to remove any extra water that might be on the microscope slide. That is our wet mount slide preparation.